We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, we have to share it. Here's what one of them had to say. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes to make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. Find out how our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience can help you. We value our business and want to show you why. Thanks for watching. Call us today. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen and have a great day.
Although central air conditioners differ from model to model, they operate on similar principles. In this video, we will address how central air conditioners work, as well as potential problems you may encounter. Included among the components that make up a central air system is a condensing unit, which is located outside the home. The condensing unit contains the air conditioner condenser coils, the compressor, and the condenser fan motor. The evaporator coils, or cooling coils, are located inside the home and are mounted on top of a furnace or air handler. The furnace or air handler uses a circulation blower fan to draw air through the return vent, blow it past the evaporator coils, and force the air through the home's venting. The room air is then drawn back through the return, and the airflow cycle continues. Once the room air has cooled sufficiently, the wall thermostat signals the circulation blower fan and condensing unit to turn off until the room temperature increases. This process can be broken down into 3 main factors: temperature control, cooling, and air circulation.